Hey everybody, my name is Dowden, and in this 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you my best way of auditioning loops inside of your DAW so that you're not wasting time trying out different loops or ideas that you might not be interested in trying. By using this method, you can actually use ideas that you wouldn't think would suit your track by actually hearing them inside of your track first. Let's go ahead and get started. You'll see what I mean. First, what I'm going to do is just search for a loop. So any loop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this headphones on and make sure that you have this quantization menu on. You don't have it to set to none, but you have it set to one of these here. I like to have it set to 1 bar. Remember, 4 times, it's gonna be 4 beats. What's gonna happen is when I play a loop, I'm just gonna start a loop right here. I'm just gonna play my drums. And next, what I can do is turn the headphone icon on and make sure that I can actually audition the sample. And I'm going to cycle through these different loops here. With this quantization on, when I click on the different loops and audition the different loops, it's going to be in time with my track. Now that my drum loop is playing, as I click these loops, they will be auditioned inside of my track in time with the rest of the track. Now I can hear what this loop would sound like in my track. Okay, and this is really cool because there's some loops that you might hear that you would never think to use. You would listen to this loop, you'd think, I'd never use that. But while you're playing it with the context of your track, it actually might fit and it might sound good to you. And it's something that you never would have thought to put in your track. But doing it this way allows you to hear what that loop will sound like inside of your already constructing track. We can try this with the entire track now. And just like that, I found this loop. This is something that maybe I'll use in the track now. On its own, it doesn't sound that great, but when I play it in the context of the track, it adds value to the track. And now I know that I might drop that loop in and use it in my track. Just so you know, you can actually change the audition volume over here. So this is going to be the preview and cue volumes. If you want to turn this down, maybe you want this to be a little bit quieter in the background of the track, or it's just too loud for your ears to listen to, you can adjust that here. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up.